Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today I'm going to teach you how to increase the length of your skirt. This is my main skirt. I opened it ruffles from the top. Usually people sew laces in the bottom in order to increase the length of the skirt, but today I'm going to make a fun with it. Today I'm going to do a shirring with it. Shirring is a swing technique in which you replace your regular bobbin thread with elastic thread. On this fabric I will do shirring and I will sew on the top of the skirt in order to increase the length. First I will do the measurement. Skirt upper part is 23 inches but I take 24. 1 inch I keep for seams allowance. Now take the piece of fabric and fold it lengthwise in a half, like this way. Its width is 24 inches. Mark with chalk. After marking, I cut off the extra fabric and separate both the parts. You can see that. It's time to measure the waistband. That is the 2 inches. After measurement, make a guideline on it. In swing, shirring is 2 or more rows of gather that are used to decorate parts of garments, usually the sleeves, bodice or yoke, or sometimes skirts. On the front part, I will make another guideline in the center. It's a front side, upper part of my skirt. I will tell you later why I marked this line. This is the wrong side. You can see that. The guidelines need to go on the right side of the fabric. I will draw 18 guidelines with the help of fabric chalk. Now fabric is prepared. Now it's time to wind the bobbin. It's an elastic thread. The bobbin need to be wound by hands. Wrap it nicely onto the bobbin by hands. Important here not to loose, but not to wrap it very tightly. Once your bobbin is full, cut the elastic thread. After wrapping the bobbin, then place the bobbin inside the bobbin case and then inside your machine, the exact same way that you would load your regular bobbins. My upper needle I already threaded, which is just a simple swing thread. Now pull the elastic bobbin thread up out of machine like you normally would before swing it and pulling it a little bit longer than usual. I am swinging straight lines on the right side of my fabric like this. I sewed my first seams. As in the second seams, the fabric will contract more and more to the elastic, which is why you should stretch the fabric to ensure it is nice and flat. Instead of cutting thread, I pivot my fabric and come to the next guideline and sew next seams. But I tie a knot of first starting seams thread. like this way. You can see that I sewed it. Front side and the back side of my skirt shirring is completed. You can see that. It's time to sew the side seams of both parts. But in the bottom, 1 inch opening would be left for later. On the front side, I made a guideline in the center. Now leave 1 inch opening for waist belt and fold with elastic as per your measurement. As this skirt is heavy, so just elastic thread is not enough for that. That's why I will make a fabric belt in order to hold the weight of skirt. I sewed it, you can see that. For waist belt, I fold the straight strip and make a belt. You can see that. It's a long straight strip. I fold it like this way. Now attach a safety pin at one end and wave the pin through the inside of the tube and pull it out on the opposite end. It is completed. Now it's time to sew with the bottom skirt. Now sew the upper part with the lower part. Now it's time to close the side opening. Fold it towards the wrong side and then sew carefully. Now the very last step, make it more nicer. Iron on it. Before iron, wash it in order to remove the fabric chalk stain. Now iron it. After doing that, the shirring just looks a little bit more neater, and this stitches become a little tighter, which makes it shrink slightly too. Hope you like my video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.